Now to the second part of our video. This time around, we are saying dashboard.pixel. This is the second link. We are going to copy the link. We open our Kiwi browser or Mrs. browser, whichever you want to. Click go. So once you get here, you can see you follow the referral link, you will receive Pix. So just click go to registration. Then input your email. So this is our email. Then tick this I agree with the terms and conditions, and then click sign in. Now a code will be sent to your email, to your mailbox. This is the email. Click it, open it. Okay, the code is 230578. So we'll go back. Now we are here. So you can see profile, referrals, pets. So let us begin with profile. You scroll up, and then you see this edit icon. Come here, touch it. So the first thing, we'll leave this be the last one to do. So our email has been linked. You can see our email. We are also to write a bio. We'll come back to that. Then the first thing is to connect our Telegram, our X account, and our Discord account. So the first thing, touch the Telegram icon. Click connect Telegram. Now click accept. It will bring you back here. Scroll up again. Touch the edit icon. You can see our Telegram is connected. So the next one is Twitter. Touch it. You have this interface before you. Click authorize app. It takes you back to the page. Scroll up again. Touch the edit icon. And then the last one, Discord. Touch it. Now once it opens up, just click authorize. It takes you back here. Scroll up again, touch the edit icon, and now you can see all our 3 social media handles have been assigned. So what is the next thing? The next thing is to change your username. You can choose to leave it. So I prefer G Finance. So this is my username, and then you have to write something about yourself. You can write on your bio, I am a crypto enthusiast who believes that crypto is the future. Full stop. You can write anything. You are a trader, you are a newbie to crypto, whatever it is you want to write. So after everything, click save. So this has been done. Then you can choose, the next thing is to choose an avatar. So click edit avatar. So you can see different avatar available. In this you have to buy with 20,000 pigs. You don't have up to that yet. So let us choose this one. I think this should be free. Buy, let's see. Do you want to buy something for 0 pigs? Yes. So click yes. And that is done. Close it. Close here. So this is the chosen avatar. So now click save. And now you can see your avatar has shown up and it's also showing in your profile pics here. So the next thing is to click referrals. If you click referrals, you are going to see your referral link. Copy your referral link here and share it. You can also use a referral code. Then the next thing is go back and then click pets. Scroll up. You can see this is the first pet. Click choose both. So you have to come here every day once and perform your tasks. So this is the one. Click feed. So you can see that is done. I think the timer resets every 12 o'clock, every 12 a.m. So your next reward will be in 16 hours. Now you come here every day. So to get to this place, click this drop down arrow beside your username and you're going to see pet. Click pet, and from there you will come here daily to perform the various tasks. So do not miss the tasks. Then after that, the next thing is to come to these 2 horizontal lines. Click it and then click task. You can see the various tasks. You can see join Pixel Telegram channel and so on. But before we proceed to this one, come back to your Telegram bot now. You remember I told you there was a task we're going to perform later from here. So we are going to open this one, Pixel tab in the Telegram bot. So once it opens up, all we have to do now is to come to reward. Click reward. Now click task. And then you can see the different tasks. So you can perform all these ones later. So the one we are interested in now is this sign up in dashboard. So click it now. And now click start. It will take you now to your browser. Let us open it in the browser. So it brings you back here. Now go back to your Telegram. Click complete task. You can see this task is completed. Sign up in dashboard. So we've signed up now. So you can do the other tasks. So after this, proceed to your browser again. Click these 2 vertical lines. Click tasks. You're going to see other tasks: fight with users in real time, join Pixel Telegram channel. So click this go to. It brings you to your Telegram. We already joined through the Telegram bot, so come back and then you can see the task. Click this arrow to refresh it. So that has been completed. You can also do this: like and comment the video about Pixel. So perform all these tasks, join Twitter channel, click go to. So these are the individual tasks. Perform as many. You can also participate in the Bybit task of Pixel airdrop. You know, their collaboration with Bybit. Then for this one, society, we don't really have anything that I don't think this is I want to do. Is their milestone, what they have achieved, reaching 200k on Twitter, 50k on Discord, and so on. So we have to come here daily. This is the routine. When you come, click the drop down arrow beside your username, click pets, and then it will open up, and then come here to feed your pet daily. Then you can perform different tasks. Can ask you to bathe, comb, whatever it is, just click it and that's it. So try to maintain a streak by not missing a day. Then here click this wallet, and then you will see these options. You can see you can use one wallet at the same time. So you can decide to use Connect Bybit or to connect any other wallet through Wallet Connect. You can choose to connect MetaMask. So choose anyone to do. So I have chosen to use MetaMask. So I'm going to click this arrow. Now, if you are using Kiwi, touch these three dots. And you're going to see the notification here. Touch MetaMask. So your MetaMask extension will open up. So I have, if you don't know how to set up your MetaMask extension, your Kiwi or Mrs. browser, there is a video to that effect. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. It will guide you on how to go about it. Then click next. Click connect. And it is connected. So you have to approve the signature. Click this. And you are going to click sign. Now everything is done. So go back to our Pixel dashboard, and then you can see, if you click your wallet now, you can see it is connected. You can see it showing. So make sure you perform all the tasks. So this is how you work with the Pixelverse mining, both on the web browser and on the Telegram bot. It is a very good and promising project. Please do not miss it for anything. This is all we have for you today. Till we come your way again next time. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do so. Hit the bell icon so that each time we make new videos, you'll be one of those to be notified first. Like and share this video. We remain yours faithfully, Crypto Bounty.